Hey guys, so today I want to show you how to use FormFlow to fill out multiple duplicate PDFs using data from a spreadsheet such as Excel or CSV. So I have data here from the Mac Numbers app. It could be Excel or anything. First thing you want to do is just export this into CSV or Excel, doesn't really matter. After that, then we just have to pull up two things. So we want to pull up the PDF document itself and drag that in to this view. And I'm going to link this page, by the way, so you'll see it there. So I'm going to use an example today. I'm going to fill out multiple passport documents, as you see here, and I'm going to fill this with a bunch of passport application document data, and it fills out like this. I'm going to expand this to see this more clearly, and let's go to the 5th page where the data starts. Okay, so this is where the stuff is. So I'm just going to blast through a few of these features. For example, if you want to select this to be all true, you can. For this one, I'm going to do last name and start mapping these columns as you see here. So I'm going to blast through some of these. These are pretty straightforward. Okay, so this is interesting. So I'll show you how to use the formatting to actually format something like a date of birth into multiple segments. So if you go here, you can actually choose the different segments. For example, it only wants the month. So I'm going to do that. And I'm going to also do the same thing here with the second part, which is the day, and then of course the year. So I'm going to go ahead and do that as well. I'll do two more things, and then I'm just going to generate this to show you how this works. So this one is interesting. So it wants the city and country. So basically, I'm going to use this formula feature. I'm going to do the city of birth, comma, and then state of birth. That should be good. And then I'll leave that blank. This is interesting. So for example, you have a checkbox here, and I only want to fill this out if, for example, the sex equals M, and then notice how there's no field there, but that's fine because I'm going to add this custom field, and I'm going to add this and do the same sex checkbox. Do the same thing, except the checkbox will be sex is female equals female. That's it. I'm just going to do this. You guys could figure it out and do the rest, and I'm just going to generate. And I'm just going to wait. These are pretty bulky. This is imported from the government website, so that's why, but it didn't take too long, as you see. All right, so I'm just going to show you one example. So look at that. Everything's filled out. So imagine how easy this is to fill out a bunch of PDF documents, and you're off to the races. You can actually download this in a zip file or share it as a share link, and you can go ahead and share that in the email or something.